Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you my fireworks stash for 2021. So as you can see, I have a varied selection of rockets, as well as Roman candles, cakes and fountains. Now I will be going into an in-depth breakdown of the NEC weight for each individual firework. So to start off with, we have the smallest pack of rockets by Epic Fireworks called Bazooka Bomb. Now, although they may be small in size, they do produce an amazing effect. Now, these do carry an NEC weight of 84 grams, as you can see there, and they are well packaged. So moving on to the next pack of rockets, we actually have Heat Seeker. So you do actually get 5 rockets in this pack. Each of the rockets carry an NEC weight of 35 grams, apart from one of them which carries 38 grams right there. And these are classed as category F3s. Following on, we have the all-night party pack, which normally consists of 21 rockets, but I have actually used 8 of them out of the packet already. Now, each rocket does consist of around 36 grams of NEC weight and is categorised as F3. Although these rockets may be small in size, they do offer a really good effect and a loud burst. So moving on, we have the Starfighter rocket pack. Now there is 4 rockets included in this pack, which are all actually twin bursting. Now the pack itself is regarded as to hold 160 grams NEC weight, but each rocket themselves carry 40 grams each. Now taking a step up from these rockets, we're going to have a look at the Warhawks. So each of these rockets carry an NEC weight of 60 grams. Now Warhawks are now known to be very nostalgic in the 1.3 gram rockets. So moving on, we have these, which are called Sky Hunters by Hallmark, which are very new to myself. These are actually category 3s also, and carry a powder content NEC weight of 55 grams. And finally, for my rockets, I have the Mercury Rising, which you get 5 in a pack, which are all twin burst. And the package is registered as category F3, so they are 1.3 gram rockets. Now we'll be moving on to our Roman candles. So now moving on to the Roman candles, we start off with Dum Bum. Now this candle is actually classed as a category F3, and it carries 8 shots with large titanium bursts and has an NEC weight of 34.4 grams. And they are manufactured by Classic. So moving on from the Dum Bum Roman candles, here you can see we have the Cannon Strike, which each consist of 5 shots. Now these candles are actually produced by TNT Fireworks. Each candle produces a total of 48.6 grams of NEC weight, and on the packaging is listed as 194.4 grams. Now we'll have a look at the shot tubes. So moving on, we have the shot tubes called Starburst. They are by Standard Fireworks. As you can see, they have a nice purple packaging, and you'd get a total of 8 shot tubes within the pack. And they carry an NEC weight of 19 grams per shot. Now these are categorised as F2, so they're perfect for any size garden. Now I'd like to say thank you for your time, and I hope you like and subscribe, and I'll do another breakdown of my cakes which I'll be using for bonfire night in the next video.